Hi my friends, today we're going to be reviewing these sticker labels here. They come in packs of 10. We got all the colors range from green, blue, yellow, red, purple, lime green, light blue. Oh, we got light blue, dark blue, purple, pink, and then we got the orange right here. These stickers are 1.5 inch by 3/4 of an inch. And these are all solid colors here. Really nice, honestly. They come... Each of them will have a little piece of tape stopping them from unraveling completely. But then the roll kind of just comes out like this. There's a lot of stickers here, so you pretty much have an endless amount of stickers. Take your piece off and they come off with ease, honestly. And they stick really nicely, I'd say. It's really helpful to come with all these different ones. You could use these as labels, honestly. Put them on containers, write down what it is, and then leave it be. But yeah, you guys have a great rest of your day and take care.